Now I'm in Adobe Photoshop Elements 2020 and I want to see if I can make graffiti and make it look like it really is alongside this graffiti on the wall here. So this is continuing our last two videos, the one that showed you how to warp text and the video that showed you that you can in fact make text look like it's sitting on a surface using the warp effect. So I've already picked my brush color here, the brush thickness, the shaping to it, and what the opaqueness of it looks like on the edge. I'm gonna up my size just a little bit, I think here. There. Okay. And I'll drop the opacity just a little bit as well. Probably right there. And now I want to change my main color here. Like that, so it blends in with this. I'm just gonna start to see what that looks like. Feels that it's not meshing enough. I'm gonna hit the undo button, see if I can go at this again. Oh no, that looks pretty convincing. Put some symbols there. Nope, that one's too large, definitely. I'm gonna try again. I don't know. You could play around with this a little bit. I'm going to drop the brush size, see if I can get closer to this thickness here. That's pretty good. Undo button. I'm going to back off on some of this here. And see if I can say. I don't know. I think it's a pretty good effect here. It definitely could work if you were doing a video or something, a slideshow, and you were moving through it quick enough. Most people won't realize the difference between the two. So there's just me having a little bit of fun.